Paint protection film, PPF. Is it worth it? Absolutely, yes it is. I don't know if you saw our other video where we were standing here and we beat a door to death with flames and chisels and hammers and wire brushes and stuff. Yes, the paint is 100% protected with paint protection film, unless you're going to damage it so badly that you actually take the PPF off the paint as well. So this brand new 2025 Model Y Tesla has had full coverage, what I would call a hybrid fitment. So it's had a bit of template and a bit of bulk. Bonnet's been bulked, mirrors have been bulked, the rear tailgate has been bulked, as you've probably seen in some of the reels. The rest of the panels have all been templated. It's got infinite warranty, so it's going to be protected for as long as the customer owns the car. The warranty isn't transferable before you ask. It stays with the customer, but generally speaking, PPF is warranted for sort of 10 to 12 years, depending what brand you use, and obviously where it's going in the world. If it's in a really hot, sunny place, then the warranty is not obviously going to be as long. But yes, it is worth it. It improves the gloss levels. It's hydrophobic, which basically means, you know, when you come out in the morning, you've got lots of little beads on your car and the water just runs off of it. It's got all of that in it. Self-healing, so if you damage it, scratch it, you can warm it up with a heat gun, the sun, hot water, and the PPF will self-heal to a certain degree. If you stick a screwdriver through it, it's not going to, but general wear and tear, bushes, hedges, light scrapes and scratches and stuff, you'll be good to go. Yeah, this one's all finished. Customer's picking it up in the morning. Thanks for watching the channel. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe. Merry Christmas to you all. See you next year.